or still do
Zero
all that
time,
work?
actually. It's
Zero time.
it's it's basically it's running on a virtual server, all my strategies, and I've got my own software that generates the orders, my own software that executes the orders as well. It connects with my broker platform. So, and I get an email then from my software that says if all the executions are correct. So theoretically, uh, I do not need to open my broker platform on a daily basis, which is by itself, I think, very often an edge as well, because having a look at your broker platform and seeing that P&L on the left side of your interactive brokers account, and you see it going up and down like that. And when you start to have a larger account, those swings are getting bigger, and it's not necessarily that helpful anymore. Although very often it is said it's so great that you can have instant feedback of how you are doing. Well, that's actually your biggest enemy, I think.
Yep. So you're saying the 30-minute stock trader is a misleading title. It's actually the 1 minute, that the 0 minute stock trader at this point.
I still think I would say it's good that you revise everything. But when I
Yes, of
wrote the
course.
30-minute stock trader, I didn't have the execution software yet. I had at that time working somebody for me who actually was placing the orders for me and needed to report to me. But yeah, if you don't have execution software and you have like 6 or 8 strategies, then possibly within 30 minutes a day, you can just take a look if everything is placed automatically and done correctly, and then close your broker platform, go and play golf, and in the evening, have dinner, and in the morning, before the market opens, take a look, place your orders again. I like to have that part automated as well, because I basically live in 3 different places worldwide. I really like that. It's the lifestyle that I designed, that I always dreamt of. And if then everything is on full automation, that really helps a lot.
Excellent. That's the goal for sure. Perfect. Well, Lawrence, I want to dive deeper into developing a fresh strategy. And by the way, I just want to mention to everybody, Lawrence gave an excellent presentation at our conference, breaking down a lot of this process. So we're going to go in a little bit, different direction today, but definitely review that if this is something that really interests you. And it was a great Q&A at the end as well. But Lawrence, first and foremost, I'd love to say, or ask you, where does the inspiration for a new strategy, say you're trying to come up with your 76 strategy currently, where do you look for inspiration? Is it reading about other traders and what they're doing? Is there a hole that you've noticed your current batch of strategies kind of doesn't fill? Where do you typically come up with that first idea for a new strategy that you might add to your portfolio?